Hey, all you Create TV fans and food fanatics, I'm Buki Olakbade, and I love an egg. And in 2 minutes, I'm gonna show you how to make the ultimate sausage and pepper frittata. Tablespoon of oil, and you're gonna brown 8 ounces of your choice of breakfast sausage without the casing. After you get some good color on it, drain on a paper towel. Saute 1 Yukon Gold potato, don't even have to peel it, and 1/4 cup of onion. You don't want to move it around too much because you want it to get really good and golden. After the potatoes and onions have been browning for about 5 minutes, you're gonna add 1 red bell pepper diced and 1 yellow red pepper diced. And let that go for a few more minutes. So for the egg mixture, 8 eggs in a large bowl, 15 ounces of good ricotta cheese, 1/2 cup of Gruyere, 4 tablespoons of melted and cooled butter. I love frittatas. You can have them for breakfast, lunch, dinner, brunch, midnight snack. If you want to go vegetarian, you can just do peppers, you can do spinach and onion. The sky's the limit when it comes to frittata. Super good. 1/2 cup of chiffonaded basil, about a teaspoon of salt, teaspoon of freshly cracked black pepper, and the last but not least, and the key, 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour and 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Add back your browned sausage and put your egg mixture right on top. I'm not gonna waste 1 bit of this. And into your 350-degree oven for 1 hour. How good does this look? You are definitely gonna wanna try this at your next party, or just for yourself.